In this tutorial, I will explain how you can turn your photos into sketch drawings for free. You can do so by using LunaPic, which is a free browser-based photo editor. To begin, open the official website for LunaPic, and then upload your image file. If you can't find it, then you can click the link from the description box. With the photo uploaded, there are several sketch filters that you can apply to it. Unfortunately, they are somewhat hard to find. The best way to apply these is by playing with the URL. To do so, hover the mouse cursor over the Art tab and then right-click on Sketch 2. Copy the link and then paste it on the address bar. Afterwards, press the Enter key to activate the action. Once the filter has been applied, you will see what the edited photo looks like. You can then adjust the strength of the filter. Moreover, you can retain the original colors of the photo by clicking the Keep Your Colors box. You can also turn the photo into an animated GIF by clicking the Animate box. If the sketch does not look right, click on the Undo this edit link. Hover the mouse cursor over the Art tab again, right-click on Sketch 2, copy the link and then paste it on the address bar. You then need to modify the last word in the URL. The following alternate sketch options are available. This one here is Sketch. This one is Sketch 3. Here is P-Sketch. And here is Sketch 4. After playing around with all 5 of these options, I found Sketch 4 to be the best and most consistent. Once you are done modifying the photo, click on the Download Now link. If this video helped you out, then you can support this channel by clicking on the like button.